blue and orange. Oh, Dolly. Oh, nice, Dolly. Ouch. Ouch, poor Dolly. You give her a kiss? Ouch! Poor Dolly. Are you eating your chair? Are you eating your doggy chair? Come here. Can you say hi to Dolly? Hi. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Yeah? You were sitting on the chair and then you fell over? Boom on your bottom?
No.
You gonna put Dolly in the chair? Can she sit in your chair? Yeah. Very nice. You want to sit on Dolly? That would be silly. Sit on Dolly. That's silly. You have to sit on the chairs.
You want Dolly down?
You want to put Dolly away? You can put Dolly away in here, honey. That's where she goes.
No.
Do you want to give Dolly to me?
No.
Do you want to give Dolly to me?
You could pick Dolly up and just hold her.
Oh, very nice. Very nice little girl. Noah. Nice pants.
You want to put the hat on her head? You want Mommy to put your hat on that head?
Keep that little head nice and warm. There we go. Dolly can sit here, and you can look at Dolly. Yeah. Oh, that's very nice. You let her sit in the chair. That's very nice.